Goat farming in Texas is an incredible journey. Did you know that Texas leads the nation in goat production? With our diverse climate and vast pastures, it's the perfect place for raising both meat and dairy goats. The Boer goat, known for its muscle and size, is a favorite for meat, while the Nubian is prized for its rich milk. Plus, goats are natural lawnmowers, helping to clear brush and weeds. They're social animals too, so they thrive in herds, making them fun and engaging to raise. Whether you're in it for the milk, meat, or just the joy of watching them play, goat farming is a rewarding venture in the Lone Star State.